Just a quick reminder that if you haven't already, you might want to be getting in your Furusato nozei orders. Now, quick review, Furusato nozei is often mentioned as a way that you can save on tax, but that's not really true. So Furusato nozei doesn't save you any tax. What it means is that you can basically use your local inhabitants tax and kind of go shopping with it. So the Furusato nozei system allows you to make a donation of your local inhabitants' taxes and send them not to the locality where you live, but to a different locality in Japan. And as a thank you gesture, that locality will send you a gift. And the thing is, you can choose the gift. So you can basically go shopping with your tax money. Now, it's not quite one for one, so there is a 2,000 yen base fee that you pay, and then the value of the gifts is worth about a third of what you're contributing, what you're donating, or less. So it's only worth doing if you can actually use your tax money for it. Now, the way it works is you can go online, find a shopping portal. There's several Furusato nozei portals. Look at the gifts and choose based on the gift. Or, of course, you could choose a location that you have an affinity to. So, your hometown was the original idea behind the scheme, but basically, maybe somewhere that's had a disaster recently, somewhere that you have a connection with, and so on. But either way, you go online, you choose your gifts, you pay. So you pay for them with credit card or whatever, and you get sent the gifts. There's two ways to do the taxes. There's the one-stop system, which is what you can do if you're a company employee, where your company does your taxes for you. Basically, you ask the local municipality to do the taxes. It's very easy. It means you can only buy gifts from a total of 5 different places if you want to do that. I recommend doing the one-stop system. It saves you doing a tax return if you don't need to. Now, if you do a tax return normally, you wouldn't use the one-stop system. Instead, the locality would send you a kind of receipt and you'd submit that as part of your tax return. Now, the key to using Furusato nozei effectively is to only donate the amount you're actually paying in local inhabitants tax or slightly less. And this is going to make sure that you're not going to be buying basically overpriced stuff with your own money. The way you can figure out how much you're going to pay in taxes, if you're a salaried employee, it's quite easy. You can look at last year's paycheck and decide off that. If you have an accountant, you can get them to tell you, or there's all sorts of calculators online. Normally, the Furusato nozei portal sites will have a calculator where you can put in your income and your dependents and so on, and it'll tell you roughly how much you'll be able to donate from your taxes. And I would recommend using a bit less than that, just to be safe. So, Furusato nozei runs until the end of the year. If you want to do it, I would recommend doing it in the next couple of weeks, just to be safe. Happy shopping. So, do you use Furusato nozei normally? What's your favorite gift? Stick that in the comments for us. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.